Hi everyone, my name is Anne-Marie Band. This is the Moneyball Morning Report for the Benzinga Pro platform. We're going to start with SPY today. We've got the dollar on the rise, and we've got oil also coming in, but I do believe we're also going to have a little breath in the commodities, as it were, because the dollar, I believe, is at a very, very critical spot, and I believe there are too many people short the dollar. I just believe it, and that is going to have a rotational effect. So what does that rotational effect mean for us? My suspicion is we come right back down to where we were 6-7 days ago, right? Sitting right around this area down here. But how is that going to happen? I'm not quite sure. I don't know if it'll be very bouncy. I don't know if we'll hammer down here and then turn right around and move up because we have positive trend moving around the space. But what I do know is this: we are almost at the lows of the prior week. So traders are going to come in there and try to defend that region. If they cannot defend it, they're going to go right down to the next cycle. Okay? What people are looking at, so from the SPY, let's give you the numbers. We're looking at, over the next couple of days, 408.40, 409.60, that's last month's high, and then 411, somewhere around there, as regions to watch underneath. Regions to watch above, that's going to be that 414 to 415. I suspect we are in an exhaustion formation, and that means a fade is on the horizon. Okay, so that's what we're looking at for SPY. Let's take a look at for the ES. I'm now adopting this because I think it was cleverly pointed out by somebody on Twitter. Don't have any idea who. Totally forgot. But they're calling the market kabuki theater. And I 100% agree. Absolutely kabuki theater. If you don't know what it is, look it up. So that being said, what are we looking at now? Well, here we are. We lost the 4171 area, and I said, hey, listen, if we lose this 4171 area, very likely we come down and test 4153. What did we do today? Exactly that. Now, that means people are going to try and buy it. There are a lot of long 4150 calls that are set to expire on Friday. If indeed the market starts drifting lower and can't hold that, they're going to turn around and cover all of those pieces. That's going to cause another jolt in one way or the other. No idea, but what I do want to say is the following. We are caught in a very wide trench. That trench has lows sitting here at around 4115. It has highs sitting around 4200. And I think we're just going to chop in between them today, particularly because of all the options sitting at the 4150 area. This is going to be a trouble spot for us as futures traders. So it's going to be very, very noisy here. What do you want to do there? You know, if it's noisy and it doesn't break, short iron condor for the 0 DTE. But if it does break, it could break hard in either direction. Because the moment the shorts, who've been waiting to be short forever, the moment they get a sniff of what it is that they think should be happening, is actually going to be happening, they are going to absolutely hammer this market. Next thing that's super important, the VIX hasn't been this low in, I don't even know how long. Tremendously low. Potential for reversion to the mean on the horizon there. If we have a mean reversion, we could easily have ourselves just a savage fade. This market is so preposterously weak, folks. It is the reason that I'm going in and out when we are together on the platform, right? The Benzinga Pro platform that we sit in together and we talk about our trades. It's why I'm going in and out. It's this noise and the market being so ahead of themselves without any exposure or any concern about risk, because they feel no matter what, the government's going to bail them out. And we've got ourselves a mess right there. So, not going to get political about that. It doesn't matter. Everybody on both sides needs to be thrown into the rubbish bin, as far as I'm concerned. So, here we go. Let's just take a look at price. They're going to try and defend this 13,000 area in the NQ. You can come in, try and buy it at the first pass, but if it doesn't immediately bounce and begins to fade, 13,050, 20 points. You got to be out of there. Okay? If it begins to bounce and it cannot get up over 13,124, back again, you're going to be able to short it. Watch. It could get above that 13,124, move into 13,140, and then collapse to the south. All right? That is what I see happening. I see the fades of us potentially coming right back into last month's high and then chopping around and starting this move all over again. All right? Be careful. Enjoy the trading day. Wait for the trades to come to you. And I'll see you all tomorrow.